Apple is on the brink of unveiling an ambitious new chapter for the iPad with the upcoming release of iPadOS 19. This update is poised to be a game-changer, marking a significant departure from the previous versions of iPadOS. With its transformative features, iPadOS 19 will bring the iPad much closer to a desktop-like experience, especially when used in conjunction with accessories like the Magic Keyboard. As Apple prepares for its Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, in June 2025, the buzz surrounding this update is palpable, and the changes are expected to redefine how we use iPads in both professional and creative settings. One of the most striking aspects of iPadOS 19 is the introduction of a unified design language that aligns the iPad more closely with macOS and iOS. Apple has drawn inspiration from visionOS, the operating system that powers the revolutionary Vision Pro headset. This influence is evident in the updated iPadOS 19, which features redesigned system icons, menus, and overall interface elements that offer a more cohesive and visually modern aesthetic across all of Apple's devices. With a greater focus on design consistency, iPadOS 19 integrates visual elements and structural coherence that mirrors the experience across Apple's platforms. This update ensures that whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you'll experience a seamless flow between devices, enhancing both usability and user satisfaction. The integration of a visionOS-inspired interface introduces a refined and cleaner visual aesthetic, allowing users to enjoy a more streamlined and intuitive experience. This attention to design brings iPadOS into a new era, making it feel like a natural extension of Apple's other operating systems. Multitasking has long been one of the key strengths of iPadOS, and version 19 takes this feature to the next level. The update introduces Stage Manager 2.0, a revolutionary upgrade to the existing multitasking interface. This enhanced version allows users to manage multiple apps and windows with even greater ease, providing a more desktop-like experience that was previously unavailable on the iPad. When connected to a keyboard, the iPad's interface adapts in a way that is more akin to a macOS environment, featuring a menu bar at the top of the screen. This addition significantly improves how users interact with their iPads when using accessories